Trending.
Trending peelable candies.
It is called
It is called peelers.
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 What flavor do you have?
I have orange
And
and banana. So the first one I'm gonna try is the orange one. What do I do here? I open it. How do I do it? Ouch.
is there something inside? There is something inside. Not in the middle.
Where?
Yeah. Keep it going. Keep going.
Orange.
What did you do? Oh, you got one. No, no.
How do I get home?
You got the inner part. How does it taste?
It tastes like a gummy and it almost tastes like orange flavor.
You can eat that. It's also gummy.
The skin?
Yeah. It's also a gummy.
And let's move on to the banana.
Open it.
It's really good. Ouch. I don't think I'll open it. So let's try the banana. I want it sticky. Ouch. So this is what the banana looks like.
Try to peel it from the top, not in the middle. From the top. That's the middle. Yeah. Yes.
Ouch. This is
Yeah.
kind of hard as you can see. There you go. There's
Peel it more and then show it.
uh, this is what the gummy looks like on the inside. It's kind of funny. Looks like a real banana. It tastes like an actual banana, but it's actually a gummy. And I like it because it's yummy. Same with the orange one. Okay, and these are the two gummies that I tried for today. And see you in the next video, guys. Bye!